Do you have soot-stained bricks from your wood-burning fireplace? Would you like an easy, simple, and efficient way to clean them with very little cleanup and mess? I did, and I'm going to show you how I did it. When I removed the brass and wood screen from my wood-burning fireplace and replaced it with a heat-efficient gas fireplace insert, I had these soot stains left over. I didn't want to remove the gas insert trim. It's kind of heavy and awkward. I just wanted to clean off the soot stains. I did not want to use ammonia and water, or baking soda and water, or any other wet, sloppy cleaning process that would drip and pool all over the place. The answer was scrubbing bubbles, the famous bathroom cleaner. Apparently, scrubbing bubbles has this magical chemical compound that includes ammonia without being harsh or toxic. They use a molecular binding process that renders the cleaning compound safe and toxic-free. You don't even have to wear protective gloves while using it, but you might want to just to be safe. And it leaves your fireplace smelling like a freshly scrubbed bathroom, which is kind of weird, but that scent goes away in a few hours. I just sprayed it on, let the foam slowly dissipate while the chemicals did their thing, and caught the small amount of dripping with the actual soft, clean cloth I used to wipe it down. It took about 5 minutes per brick, max. After you're finished, let the bricks dry overnight. Bricks absorb moisture like a sponge, so they take a while to dry. So there you have it, scrubbing bubbles for brick. Who knew?